Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to download the app. For this you have to open the Play Store, search about the app. You have to write CapCut. Then you have to install the app. I have already installed it, so I can open it from here. After opening the app, you have to tap on new project. Then you guys can find out your videos here. Besides this, you guys can also see photos option. You can find out your photos. Now you have to choose the photo which you want to use. You can also see the photo by tapping on the photo. For confirming the photo, tap on add. Now you have to tap on edit. Here scroll like this. Then you guys can find out remove background. Tap on here. And here you guys can find out three options like auto removal, custom removal and chroma key. If you guys want to remove background from your photo properly, then you have to tap on auto removal. As you guys can see, I have removed background from this photo. Now to save it, tap on the check mark. Now let's go back. If you guys want to add other backgrounds here, you can also do it. Just scroll like this and then tap on the background. Here you guys can also see three options. Now tap on image. You guys can see a lot of backgrounds here which are available in CapCut app. You can also use them as your background. I'm not gonna using this as my background. I'm going to use my images as my background here. For this you have to tap on here. Then choose the photo which you want to add as your background. Here you guys can use the photo as your background. You can also customize the photo like this. You can put it where you want it, like this. Now to save it, you have to tap on here. So this is how you guys can remove background in CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like.